Okay, cool, we're now live. Hey guys. So, I am Astha, and Steven
And
is...
I'm
Yep, sorry.
oh, and hi, I'm Steven. I'm in a kind of a weird place right now, so that's why I don't want to use my camera.
Yeah, so we're gonna be basically talking about loops today. For loops, while loops, and nested. So, just to help us out, it'd be great if you guys could turn off your mics when you're not speaking. Just because otherwise there's a lot of interference and lots of like odd little like movement noises, so it keeps things a lot more clear. But if you guys have any questions, feel free to turn off your mic and ask us. Don't feel afraid about like interrupting the lecture or anything like that, because we don't even want it to be a lecture. Yeah, anything you want to add, Steven?
um, no, just don't be afraid to ask questions. Let us know if we're going too fast, too slow.
Mm-hmm.
And definitely, if you guys have like any examples that you want to go over, then I don't know, just go ahead and ask us, and we can go over them as a group.
Oh yeah, definitely. Any questions you guys have, oftentimes a lot of other people have it too. So it works out. Yep. So I guess without further ado, we'll just get started. So today we're going to talk about while loops first. So I'm going to share my screen so that we can look at the ebook. Okay, so let's go over here. Wrong link. Huh, I had it pulled up. Where is it? Sorry guys, 1 second. Here it is. Okay. Now let me share my screen. Hangouts, why are you forsaking me? Okay. So do you guys see the ebook link okay?
Yes, I see it.
Okay, perfect. So basically, we're just going to go over while loops first, because I feel like those are the easiest ones to start off with. So, okay, while loop. Loops in general, when you are... The reason that you want to implement them, or even use them in the first place, is that you want to execute some line of code multiple times. Sometimes you don't know how many times you want to run it. Other times you know exactly, like you want to print you want to, when you're not exactly sure you want to go through a piece of code. That's when they're used. So if we're looking here, if we are looking at this example down here, let me zoom in on it a little bit more. We see that in the body of the loop, which is the part that's enclosed in curly braces. Internet, why? Okay. So
I can't see anything. Oh, I see it.
what?
Yeah, you're kind of sounding robotic.
Wait, really?
Yeah, I mean, like, for like the last, I don't know, you sound fine now, but like a couple minutes ago, were sounding robotic.
Oh, but
Yeah, I know. She did sound robotic. It was like she was glitching.
Yeah.
my Wi-Fi was getting like going haywire, so that probably was it.
Mhm.
Okay, so when did I start sounding robotic? So I could just go over that part over again.
It was 3 minutes ago, or like a minute ago, you start sounding robotic. And then my computer almost started to glitch because I was like recording my screen or sharing my screen.
Yeah, I think you should like go back over like, because you're talking about the like what the while loop did.
Okay.
Yeah, you
It
was
was
talking
like
about
right
the
before.
function of it. Yeah.
Yeah, the function of the while loop.
Okay. So basically, you use a while loop when you're not really sure how many times you're going to, or you want to execute a piece of code. So we can see in the block of the while loop itself, that we're going to print out a number x, and then we're going to use x by 1. So usually you don't use while loops for this function, this is just like a really simple example that they provided, because usually you're gonna use it when you're not exactly sure, like when you can't really calculate how many times you want to run. Like sometimes the program will run a loop like 6, other times the program would run it 8. But this is just a really simple example of a while loop that we can go over just to see how it really works.
Is there a functional difference between this while loop that you have on
Parentheses.
Hold on, you glitched out again.
Yeah, she did.
Hello? Question, please.
Yeah.
Is there like a functional difference between like the while loop that you have on screen and like do while loops? Or is it just a different format?
It is kind of like a different format, essentially. The only real difference with a do while loop is, here.
Have you tried switching?
Yeah,
Wait, which Wi-Fi are you connected to right now? Which Wi-Fi
Hello?
are you connected to right now? Hello?
I'm on Hello?
Hello?
Hey, Hello?
Hello?
Hey,
Hello?
what happened?
Okay, so you can hear me, but is it still like going robotic?
No, I can hear your voice perfectly. It just looks glitchy.
No, your video cut out for a second.
Yeah, the video did. Yeah.
Okay. Full.
You asking if she's downloading something?
Yeah, because
Problem again.
because your voice is cutting out like a lot.
Yeah.
Shit.
And also, if what Wi-Fi are you on right now? Are you on UMD or UMD Secure? Well, it should not
Yeah, I'm on
be
secure.
cutting out like
And I'm
that, but
not
like sometimes.
downloading anything.
Okay, I'd actually try switching to UMD, but the thing is, I don't know if it's gonna end the call because you'll be switching. I don't know. Can you like promote someone to be the host of the call? Asta?
I think she glitched out. I'm not sure.
Okay. Well, I'll wait until she comes back, but I guess I can sort of pick up where she left off.
Okay.
Even though I didn't get a good look at what she was actually doing. But so what Asa was saying is that while loops, like they are essentially when you have a loop, but you don't know how long you want the loop to continue for. It's kind of dependent on whatever input you're given. So let's try to make the example that she did.
Oh, you mean like from the book?
No, like she made her own example in the Java visualizer. trying to like.
Oh, you're trying to replicate it.
Yeah, I'm trying to replicate it.
What I've been doing before I joined yesterday was I was doing all these computer science worksheets. So like right now I'm working on while loops, and it's like about 13 pages, but I think it's pretty good practice. I sent a link on the group chat. I can text the link on the group chat now if you want me to do that. And
oh yeah, please do.
Yeah, I've been working on this since December. I'm already on the 5th chapter or the 4th chapter. So my plan was to finish all these worksheets, and I should be able to code. And I know you guys are going to help me out, like just studying for the AP test because it's May 2nd. And I just got on the book, and I haven't really signed the consent forms yet. I told her I was going to like scan them next week and send them to her quickly as possible. And I've been looking through the book, and I didn't take the pre-test, so I was planning on taking the pre-test today, and I wasn't able to do anything because I was just working on homework and stuff.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm about to type the link now because I think it's very useful. I think everybody should see it. It can help them a lot. It helped me a lot too because I take intro to C++, but I'm actually going to take the AP Computer Science A test. And usually when I get confused on Java, I would usually go to my computer science teacher. So the main reason why I joined was so I can get like extra help because I want to get better at programming and stuff like that. Just want to be a better overall programmer. Yeah. Coding is pretty cool. I like doing it. You have all these different variables and reserved words, and once you use the reserved word, it highlights like a different color.
Did you post it?
I'm about to host it now. I gotta look through the group me. Oh, I found it. I'm about to type it.
Okay.
Hey, how come everybody else in the group chat, their volumes are like muted or they're not really talking?
That's because we ask them to mute their mics when they're not speaking. This is just so that there's not like feedback. If someone doesn't have like headphones.
Oh, okay. So it's like they're talking, but we can't hear them.
Well, they might not be talking, but their mic is muted.
Their mic is muted. Oh. So wait, you work at the University of Maryland?
Yes.
That's cool. How you like the University of Maryland?
It's pretty good.
That's good.
Yeah, I'm definitely glad that I went here. It's a big school. The computer science department is good.
Wow.
And just enjoy it. So you posted that. Oh, hold up.
Almost. Yeah.
I can't connect. Could you start the broadcast and I can join in as soon as I get online? Well, the broadcast is still going. So
the broadcast is still going.
I guess I'll go where she left off.
Because I was thinking about the University of Maryland or going to Harvard or MIT, like just a good university that has like a good programming background or a biology background. Because I'm in the biology track for flowers. But yeah, it's pretty cool. The University of Maryland, my dad went there, and if I go there, it seemed like that'd be a pretty cool experience. Like, why not go to the